All right, here we go. It says solve, and we've got some absolute value inequalities. Erase. There we go. So the absolute value of 3x minus 9 is greater. So uh, for those using the greater method, you know that it's going to have to be heading opposite directions. But again, please do be thinking through this a little bit more mathematically than just the rhyming. But that can be a good hint for you and a good tip. So here we go. First, if this value 3x minus 9 is a positive value, then 3x minus 9, since it would be positive, would be greater than 4. Add 9 to each side. We have 3x is greater than 11, or sorry, 13. 3x is greater than 13, still 13, and divide by 3, and we'll get x is greater than 13 thirds. All right, and on a number line, that would be kind of here's 0 over here, and 13 thirds is, what is that? 4 and 1/3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then cut up that into thirds. So 4 and 1/3, open circle, and we are shading to the right where those x values are greater than. On the other hand, if 3x minus 9 is a negative number, then to get greater than 4 with the absolute value, then those will need to be less than, and actually I'll write it over here, 3x minus 9 would need to be less than negative 4, even more negative, so that once you took the absolute value, it'd be greater than 4. Add 9 to each side, we get 3x is less than 5. Divide each side by 3, and we get x is less than 5 thirds. So positive 5 thirds, and that's going to be 1 and 2 thirds. Open circle and shading to the left. So again, in OR situation, they're going opposite directions from one another. Here we are with the absolute value of 2x plus 5 is less than 2x 2x plus 5 is less than the absolute value of 2x plus 5. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. Is less than or equal to 7. So we've got, if this all is positive, then 2x plus 5 is less than or equal to 7. Subtract 5 from each side, and we have 2x is less than or equal to 2. Divide by 2, and x is less than or equal to 1. Graphing that, we'd have 0, positive numbers, negative numbers, and 1 over on the right. And it's going to be a solid circle, and we're looking for numbers that are less than, so it's going to be heading to the left. On the other hand, if these numbers are, if 2x plus 5 is a negative value and we need to take the absolute value of it, then 2x plus 5, whatever that is, would have to be greater than or equal to negative 7. All right, from here we subtract 5 from each side, and 2x is greater than or equal to negative 14, or negative 12. Divide each side by 2, and x is greater than or equal to negative 6. So down over here, we'd have negative 6. Again, closed circle, and this time we're shading to the right where x is greater than. And we get this overlap of numbers, and this is our solution set right here. And again, that's less than, and so if you're using that rhyming trick, it's less than. All right, and hope that helped.